Sir, 2 years na ako sa company at tinanggal ako ng walang dahilan. Ano ang dapat kong gawin? Interesting question from sir about illegal dismissal without due process. Kawawa naman. Sige po sir, I will answer your question in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. Unang-una sir, may experience tayo konti, no? As admin officer. And may alam tayo konti dyan sa concern ninyo about illegal dismissal. And of course, meron akong research galing sa website ng mga abogado or lawyer. Alright? So ito na po. Mga dapat gawin if ikaw ay biktima ng illegal dismissal. So may 5 po tayo na dapat gawin, sir. Number 1, know your rights as employee. Yes, sir. Importante na alam mo yung rights mo as employee. Kasi meron tayong rights as employee under labor law. So, including security of tenure and protection against illegal dismissal. May right ka, sir, to be heard. Right to know the reasons. Bakit ka tinanggal nila? Kasi sabi mo kanina, tinanggal ka, no? Na walang dahilan. And then 2 years na po tayo sa company. So may rights ka, sir, as employee. Alright? Number 2, gather evidence. So importante may evidence tayo, sir, no? Concerning sa complaint mo na illegal dismissal. So ano po ito mga evidence na importante, sir? Number 1, employment contract, payslip, termination letter kung meron man, witness statements kung may mga kasama ka, no? Na mag-witness sa'yo na matagal ka na dyan, tapos walang reason bakit ka tinanggal. And other documents na importante, sir. So, kailangan yan. Alright? Number 3, consult with a labor lawyer. Yes, sir, kailangan mo ng abogado na magtingin sa mga evidence mo, sa complaint mo kung valid yan. Sila po yung mag-advise sa'yo kung may kulang, tama ba yung mga evidence mo, and of course, alamin nila anong status mo dyan sa company. Regular employee ka ba? Job order? Agency hired? Contractual? Kasi importante yan, sir, na ma-advisean ka ng lawyer. Kasi alam nila yung batas. Number 4, file a complaint with the NLRC. So punta ka sa office ng National Labor Relations Commission or NLRC. Government office po yan. May mga labor arbiters. Sila po yung nag-handle ng labor disputes or complaint po sa mga employer. So pasok po tayo dyan, sir. Dalhin mo yung mga evidence po ninyo. And of course, after yan na nag-consult ka sa labor lawyer. Alright? Number 5. So attend conciliation and mediation proceedings. Importante na mag-attend ka, sir, no? Punta ka sa NLRC if ipatawag ka na nila. Kasi I understand, sir, yung employer ninyo or HR, ipatawag din yan sila ng NLRC. So doon kayo mag-usap sa office nila with the presence of labor arbiter. So nandyan ka, nandyan yung HR, admin officer or representative ng company or owner ng company. Kayo tatlo po mag-usap dyan. Of course, yung complaint ninyo, ano ang sagot nila, ano ang compromise nila. So yan po, more or less, masettle yan sa NLRC. Alright, sir? Hope na nasagot ko yung question nyo, sir. Good luck and God bless. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.